Hari Om. Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayanand Ji used to tell us a beautiful story. Once there were two heavenly birds who were flying very high up in the sky beyond the clouds where there is nothing to disturb them. Once the mother bird laid a few eggs, and being heavenly, these eggs were also floating. Slowly, the chicks in them started growing and the eggs became heavy. So they started falling. As the eggs were falling, the mother bird was very concerned. Slowly, small cracks appeared on the top of the egg and small chick heads popped out. So the mother bird looked at them and said, "Open your eyes, break the shell, spread your wings and fly." The chicks replied that the shell is so warm, so comfortable, so cozy. It is so cold outside. We don't want to break the shell. The mother bird said, "But you are divine birds. Why are you trapped in the shell?" Once again she said, "Open your eyes, break the shell, spread your wings and fly." The chicks replied, "The shell is known to us. Flying is unknown to us. How can we leave the known for the unknown?" The mother bird said, "But you are divine birds. Why are you trapped? Open your eyes, break the shell, spread your wings and fly." Two chicks, they decided that let us do what the mother bird is saying. So they opened their eyes, and as they looked up, they saw the eyes of mother bird full of love and compassion for them. And they looked down, they were about to crash. Instinctively they let loose their feet, their shell broke, their wings spread, they flew. Puja Gurudev used to tell us, open your eyes with study, break the shell with sadhana, and spread your wings and fly, experience freedom of your true nature. To live our life confidently and courageously, to achieve success and happiness, to experience fulfillment within, we require three things in life: clarity in thinking, purity in feeling, and dexterity in acting. Open your eyes with study of the timeless wisdom of Vedanta. Let us develop clarity in thinking on issues like what is suppression, what is sublimation, what is freedom, what is licentiousness, what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is pleasant. Does God exist or not? Who I am and who I am not. So let us open our eyes with clarity. Break the shell with sadhana. Break out of the shell of fears and inhibitions with powerful Vedantic exercises. Break out of the shell of selfishness and experience the joy of selfless service. Break out of the shell of the ego and experience the divine self within through meditation. So let us open our eyes with study, break the shell with sadhana, and spread the wings. May our head and heart be integrated like the two wings of the bird, and may we soar high in meditation. The more we establish ourselves in the true self and we will work from happiness and not for happiness. This is true dexterity in action. So clarity in thinking, purity in feeling, and dexterity in acting. Chinmay Mission welcomes you to develop these through the Foundation Vedant course. Let us lay a strong foundation to our own life. As it is said here, I am my limit and I am my sky. We can limit ourselves or we can experience unlimited freedom. The choice is ours. Through the Foundation Vedant course, may we break all our limits, break all the shackles, break out of all the shells and experience that limitless infinite freedom that is our true nature. Hari Om.